Hello, all. Welcome to our channel. Any particular website, how to adding for WhatsApp link. So you can using for so many tools are here. In this information, when you're adding for a particular number, when you click here, they go to your particular WhatsApp icon. So how you can integrate your particular WhatsApp icon? So this icon will be generating for a lot of code. The simple SEO technique. There is a technique is called anchor text. That is called anchor link. We can use how we can generating for your WhatsApp icon. That is first of all, writing a code will be here. That is called AHR space HREF. What is HTTP API WhatsApp.com. Send message will be a particular number. So after this one, if you are clicking for two numbers, they will generate for our WhatsApp number. This will be our particular swimming pool number will be contacting purpose. So in this one, if I'm not working for particular link, the link will be working purpose. I can go to login your particular cPanel, click for file manager. In this file manager, public underscore HTML. In this HTML, where our code will be uploaded, go to the particular contact us form. Click for edit your particular contact us form, and here you can add your where you can add your particular mobile numbers, add your particular details will be here. So here it is called I'm adding for details and click for save change. So immediately we can go to refresh. If anybody click here, they go to your particular WhatsApp option. Nothing but they easily will be contacting by using this particular link option. These are the option we can use on particular user. We can click the particular phone number purpose. There is not require any particular third party tools. The simple SEO technique, there is nothing but anchor link with using for numbers and will generating for WhatsApp icon. Here, so this much of code I'm very much of hard. This code simply this code we can represent by the like this also. HTTPS colon w.me. What is the phone number you have? Add the particular phone number into your particular 10 digit. This link also will be represented by this particular below link also. We can use this option and without any third party tool, we can create by the WhatsApp link option. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.